stuff out of Play-Doh, and actually this kind of Play-Doh. And this is a different Play-Doh. It's kitty dough, and I think I did some of this, but I'm gonna open it and try to see if my Play-Doh knife will cut into it. No, it's not cutting into it. It's doing by itself. It's poking through it just a little bit. Ouch, it's actually breaking. It's breaking right now. It's really hard to get into, and I don't think there's, So, happy Sunday. Tomorrow I go to school. You know, I haven't did a video in a while. Sorry about that, because I don't really have anything, so I'm glad I got the set, because, well, it wasn't a set. Oh gosh, this is really hard to open. I might be having the whole video on just trying to open this. And then I have more of them. Actually, I'm going to go get a knife. And guys, if you're a young one and you're trying to open this, do not use without a parent, because I have to use this to open it. Alright, I didn't cut myself. That's good. Alright, it actually did it with the first try. See, I'm just open. It doesn't smell anything like Play-Doh. It actually smells actually gooder than Play-Doh, but sweet and edible. It's actually really, but it's not edible. I don't think it is. It doesn't really smell like that. It smells really weird. Okay, let's put that to the side. There's the dough. Oh gosh, this is actually really heavy. There. The really, really weird smelling dough. If you have and you think that don't smell weird, then okay, let's do the red now. Good, I didn't cut myself. Alright, I'm just kidding. And please get a parent if you're a long one. Oh gosh, that smell. It's weird. It smells edible, but I don't think it's edible. Alright, cut this one weird. It's not coming good enough. Ah! This is so good. Alright, don't cut myself. Ah, there we go. Without cutting myself. So yeah, that's used some of the green dough to make a peppermint. Just peppermint, nothing else but peppermint. And that's make a peppermint sundae. We're gonna put it in this one. This smells really bad. Alright, I don't want to do this. Okay. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's actually really soft. Alright, so okay, I have it. How do I get it out? How do I get it out? Oh, it's actually not coming out. I think I'm supposed to take like an excess of Play-Doh, so let's take excess. And oh, it's actually sticking. It's not working. Oh,
what are their faces on top?
Oh,
so you're making ice cream?
yes, Jen. That's weird.
Why are their faces on top?
Nothing. Okay, he's weird. Alright, so I have it out already. And there we go. Nice little ice cream. Let's actually put the rest of the dough back. Okay. Anyways, let's put some pink strawberry dots on it. We'll just dang it, I can't break it. Yeah, it smells nothing like Play-Doh. Yeah, this is Play-Doh, the regular pink Play-Doh. And the dough is alright, so there is the ice cream. So yeah. Thank you and bye.